Today I'm paying tribute to the hard-working Arizona egg farmers with the most adorable edible centerpiece. It's as cute as can be, a completely edible cactus garden that takes America's obsession with our prickly pals in the Southwest to a whole new level. These saguaro cactus are made of meringue, and there's chocolate cake for dirt, granola gravel, and chocolate pebbles that look like polished gemstones. I got the recipe for meringue from IncredibleEgg.org. It's only 3 ingredients: egg whites, sugar, and cream of tartar. Now for this craft, you'll need 2 piping bags, a large star tip, a smaller star tip, green gel food coloring, red gel food coloring, and 2 brushes. You'll also need some chocolate icing and a container. Brush some green food coloring in the large tip and red food coloring in the smaller tip. Put the tips in the bag and paint each bag the same color as the tip. Set aside and make the meringue. Start by whisking 3 egg whites. Slowly add in 3/4 of a cup of sugar and then 1/4 of a teaspoon of cream of tartar. Blend to a rich, thick, glossy consistency, stiff enough that you can turn your whisk upside down and give it a shake. Fill the green bag with 3/4 of the meringue, the rest into the red bag. And now we're loaded up and ready to pipe. Dab a little bit of meringue in each corner of a baking sheet and lay parchment paper over top. Then create your saguaro, a long body and 2 arms. Leave a little space in between each cactus, and then with the red meringue, add adorable cactus flowers. You can pipe some extra flowers and barrel cactus too. Into the oven at 225 degrees for about 2 hours. And when they cool, they are spectacular. And now for the landscape. Pipe a little icing into the bottom of your bowl, then create your layers of earth. The dirt is crumbled chocolate cake. The gravel can be granola or graham cracker crumbs. Shiny chocolate pebbles bring it to life. Now poke a hole in the earth and pipe some icing in. Here comes the cactus. Whimsical and fun. A few more chocolate boulders and cactus flowers, and you're done. Edible, adorable egg white gardens of cacti cuteness.